This channel right here is just 2 weeks old. So if we go to the oldest video, we can see that it started only 12 days ago to post videos. This other one also started 11 days ago. And as you can see here, he's pulling up a ton of videos in the past days. Now this one has almost 8,000 subscribers. This other one almost 7,000 subscribers. Now the weirdest part is that there is no person behind either of these. No camera, nobody on screen.
Open the shed door in Western Illinois.
And the voice that we heard over here is not real either. Also, the grandmother on this thumbnail doesn't really exist. Every frame you're looking at right here was totally AI generated. And I spent the last few weeks pulling these channels apart to work out how they are doing it. The tools, the formula, the whole pipeline. By the end of this, you will understand it too. Stay with me because the money side is the part that almost nobody talks about. When I go to my YouTube browser, there is a whole wave of these channels running the same playbook. And once you spot it, you will see it everywhere. We have this Amish one, for example.
There is less food in your...
One of his channels has more than 300,000 subscribers. It's the same DNA every time. A nostalgic niche people feel something about. You already have this or you forgot this curiosity gap. A big number on the title like 10 or 25 or 40 and a warm old voice walking you through it. That's the whole formula. And it works because none of this is chasing a trend. This is timeless stuff people keep searching for. So the money, everybody assumes this is ad revenue, and ad revenue is the small piece of it. Let's look at what they actually do. This Appalachian channel, for example, if we go to the latest videos and click on one of them, we can see on the description they have already a book that they are selling for $37. The idea is that grandma never wrote these down, so I did. That goes to her book on her own website. If we go to the Barn Finds guy, he also has his own product and he sells a Barn Find Bible ebook. Then if we go to this Amish channel, the Amish channel has a whole product line. And this works because I'm doing it myself. As you can see here, all these are payments from people buying my digital products. We can go to the other page, same ones. A lot of other payments, more payments over here. So the stack is AdSense on the views, a digital product they built once and sell forever, and an email list they own outright. The video is the top of the funnel. That's why these are real businesses and not just view counts. And it's how a faceless channel can out-earn a normal one. So how is this made? I'm giving you the actual pipeline here, not vague fluff, because I want you to be able to picture yourself running it. It's a chain of AI tools and each one has a single job. 1. The script. You hand an AI the topic and it writes the whole countdown in the narrator voice, structured for attention. 2 is the voice. You clone a warm old voice and from then on it reads every script you give it. That's your narrator forever and for free. 3 is the visuals. Every shot is an AI generated image matched to what the narrator is saying, with a slow can burn zoom and a bit of motion so it never feels like a slideshow. 4 is the face. Those grandma talking to the camera moments are AI models that take one portrait plus the voice and lip sync them together. 5 is the editing. All of it gets stitched to the voiceover automatically, and out comes a finished 12 to 15 minute video, sometimes even higher. Some of these videos are going up to 30 or 40 minutes long. But for videos that long, the number that got me is the cost. This runs on a rented GPU for about $2 to $4 a video, and roughly 20 minutes of your own time. You don't need a studio, an editor, or a face on camera. If you take one thing from this video, take this. 4 tools in a chain: script, voice, image, face, plus the niche formula I showed you. Knowing that alone puts you ahead of 99% of people who assume this is impossible. I'll be straight with you though, because I learned this the hard way. Knowing the steps and having a working pipeline are two very different things. Every one of those tools has to be wired to the next one. The image models need the right settings or your hands come out with 6 fingers. The voice drifts, the lip sync falls apart past a few seconds. You have to rent a GPU plus spend all the money just to figure out how it's working, to configure it, to install the models, to get them all talking to each other. It took me weeks of trial and error to get this running clean from start to finish and get quality just as the competitors are doing. And just to show you a little bit of what I generated, here is the sample.
Well now, pull up a chair and set a spell, because if you clicked on this hoping to hear the old ways of cooking, the little tricks my mama and her mama worked at the stove with hardly a dime to their names, then honey, you have come to exactly the right porch. I'm fixin' to give you 10 of them, real ones. And I'll tell you right now, some of these are gonna surprise you. There's one that folks swear stops a pot from boiling clean over the sides. And it's true, mostly, and I'll tell you why.
Now, the quality is the same as the competitors, but most people quit right before here because the idea is simple enough, but the setup is what wears them down. So here's what I did with it. Once I had the whole thing working, the exact tools, the settings, the prompts, the code that ties it together, I packaged all of it and put it inside my community, Scalable Creator OS. You get the complete system, the step-by-step setup, the ready-to-run pipeline, the niche and the title formulas, and me in there answering questions. Everything I spent weeks figuring out already done for you, so you can go straight to making videos instead of fighting with settings. I built it because people keep asking how, and that how turns out to be a 1 to 2 hour setup instead of 2 months one. If you want the shortcut, then that's where it lives. The link is in the description. In there you will get other tools like Script Agent, the tool that me and members use to write high quality scripts, and that's also free for members. We're also working on a tool that will generate stick figures for you. You will learn the best way to do niche research and how to validate niches, the whole system that I use. And whatever update comes first, you'll be the first to know within the community. And even if you never join, that's okay, because now you know more about how this channel works than almost anyone watching. Go look at them with new eyes. You'll spot the formula everywhere. If this opened your eyes, then subscribe, because I'm going deeper on this stuff. And if you want the pipeline itself, come and say hi in Scalable Creator OS. I'll see you in there.